How about the 1954 Chevrolet 3100 series pickup? Saddle brown and shoreline beige over brown. Beautifully restored. Very interesting color combination. It's a color combination that you don't see very often in pickup truck world. Brown and tan for a more simpler version of that color. But this thing's beautifully restored. It's got 283 cubic inch V8, turbo hydromatic 350. So it's a little bit of some light resto modding going on here. Power front disc brakes and an oak-lined bed. Oak-lined. That's a term, isn't it, I guess?
Someone reminded me of those. Remember those banana pops we used to get as a kid on the Good Humor?
So the brown was the stick.
Sort of a brown yellow. No, there was two shades of ice cream, two colors. Anyway.
Chocolate and banana?
Yeah, chocolate and banana. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I don't know where. We got the orange push-ups, stick in the center. Yeah. And you almost choke on that stick trying to get that last little bit of orange sherbet.
I was from a small town. Our ice cream truck was the drugstore. There was no drive-around ice cream truck.
You know, one a dang, dang, da clang.
Yeah, right.
They were great.